this is the reveal, the flan reveal. So what you want to do, because this has been cooling off for quite some time, it's really cold. So what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and set a pot of hot water, because what happens is that caramel that is in the bottom, it is already set. So you want to go ahead and put it in a hot bath of water so that can go ahead and soften up a little bit. I'll be right back. All right, so after you've had your flan sitting in the hot water for about 5 minutes, I would say, that's how long we've had it, then you want to make sure that you go along the edge of the flan just to separate it, just to make sure that it comes loose. Oh, snap. When you go ahead and flip it over, it's going to look real good, y'all. Oh, yep, it's loose. Loosey-goosey. So then you want to have a big enough plate to go ahead and put it over. All right. Oh, this is going to be, oh, Lord, you guys. This is going to be, oh, God. Let's see. All right, so in the middle. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, all right. So you guys ready? You guys ready for the reveal? Oh my God. Look at that yumminess. Oh, Lord. Oh, just let it drip down. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at that. Oh. Oh, Lord. Just let it. Oh, Now to go ahead and get Laz a slice. Let's see. Like that's fine?
Mm-hmm. This slice.
Now it's gonna be this slice. Ooh. Ooh, sorry. There we go. Do you want some juice?
Juice.
Hold on. I have to get a spoon. That's good enough?
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you go. All right, so we're going to have Laz try it out because he is my guinea pig. He usually likes everything that I make. Let's see.
Perfection.
Really? Is that good? Is it really good?
Real good.
Oh, Lord. I hope you enjoy, Poopy.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
No, really.
So let me know if you guys want to give it a try. You should try it. It's not that complicated and it's super delicious. Laz approves. Happy Sunday.